Well, hello there everyone. Today's video I have a little hands-on unboxing of this jewelry piece from Jeulia. Now I'm just going to go ahead and talk about everything that's in this box. So it comes with a little pamphlet for returning and exchanging. It also comes with a little booklet of their premium artisan jewelry. So you can go through this booklet and you can see some of their rings, some bracelets, some necklaces, as well as earrings. So this just gives you a little preview of some of the things that you will find on their website. Next, we have a little gift bag that you can put the jewelry in if you are gifting this to someone, which I am. I am gifting this to my beautiful mother for her birthday. And inside the gift bag, it comes with the Jeulia card as well as a greeting card that you can say whatever you would like that you are giving the person this for. It also comes with a little microfiber cloth to clean it and keep it gorgeous. And then we have the beautiful jewelry piece. So what I got was the Bangle Bracelet with Heart Shape Pendants in sterling silver. Now, the reason that I chose this piece was because I wanted to have each of my siblings on this for my mom so she could wear it and think about each one of us, and I just thought it was super cute that you could engrave each of our names onto one of the hearts. It's absolutely adorable and I absolutely love it. So opening it up, there the beautiful bracelet is, as I struggle with it. So as you can see, it is sterling silver and it has 4 little hearts on there with each one of my siblings and myself named on a heart. Pretty cute. So I've got Andrew, my oldest brother. Then I have Brandon, my second oldest brother. And then I have myself, which I am the third. And then we have my sister Devin, who is the baby. So I really thought this was a really nice gift to give my mom for her birthday. A really thoughtful, meaningful gift that she can wear for a long time and look at it and remind her of each one of us. It's amazing. The clasp on the actual bracelet is super easy to take off and put on. It doesn't feel cheap. You know what I mean? Like, it feels sturdy and strong, like it's gonna last a long time, which is really nice when you're looking for jewelry. And it's absolutely beautiful. But yeah, if you would like to see a direct link or some more things that are on their website, you can find it down below in the description bar for the direct link to their website, as well as this jewelry piece that I got myself. And until next time, stay beautiful, okay? Bye!